we can really adjust things on the fly and really maximize what we need to do.
Hello and welcome to this edition of the State of Soy. I'm Aaron Putsey and we're in rural Brooklyn, Iowa, so kind of tending over to the eastern part of the state, and I'm visiting with Roger Van Ersveld, who is a farmer from Brooklyn, and also Cole Olson. Cole serves as a precision tech specialist for FMH, and we're here today talking about crop insurance, and rightly so. It's that time of year when farmers are getting into the field. And let's start there, Roger. You've been tending a little bit on the dry side here, but it's allowed you to get the crop, and you're now getting some rain.
Yeah, we're getting a very much needed rain right now. Our corn is all on the ground, and we're probably 3/4 of the way done with the soybeans. So all in all, we're in a very good position right now with this rain that's come in, which is really needed badly.
Yeah. You're very open to using technology in your operation. It's helped you, and now going on 54 years of farming. How have you been incorporating technology into your operation?
Well, the advent of GPS and all the things that we can do, especially in the planting field, is we're using grid sampling to set up our fertilization program, and we're also using variable rate planting, and then we've gone to some technology with hydraulic down pressure and electric drives. So we can variable on soybeans. We can go anything from 70,000 to 200,000 just by a push of the button. And we write the prescription and it does it automatically. So we can really adjust things on the fly and really maximize what we need to do for particular spots in the field.
Sure. And Cole, you becoming part of the operation and working side by side with Roger, talk to us about how technology and also the reportability, let's talk crop insurance, really matters as well.
Yeah, we can get all that data when we're done planting at the end of the year, and at the end of the day we can view that data on our computer and make decisions on that. And one of the decisions that we can make is using that data for reporting our crop insurance. Acreage reporting is coming right up after we get done planting. Normally farmers are headed to the FSA office to get that 578 and bring it to their agent. They can actually use that data, bring it right to their agent, and use the acres that they actually plant to insure their crop insurance. FMH is very farmer-centric. There's a lot of farm management softwares out there that growers are already using, like My John Deere and FieldView and Ag Leader SMS. We can take data right from those softwares and push it over to our system and utilize that information that you're already gathering. And if you don't have that, we can also use raw data right off the monitor and utilize that information as well. Streamlined process for sure.
Yeah, so Iowa Soybean and FMH have been longtime partners. You're partnering together on this operation. Roger, how has this partnership been a game changer for you as a producer?
Well, in our case, we have no children, so we want to pay it forward to the next generation. And with the cost of farming today, we need to give the young farmer an opportunity to start. And this was my chance to put a young man that's very knowledgeable, very easy to work with, that opportunity to get into production agriculture, and something that I know that he dearly loves. So yeah, it's my chance to pay it forward.
Farming happens the beginning of the year, and all the reporting happens after you've already done the work. So it works perfectly hand in hand. I can still work for FMH. I can still farm. It works beautifully, honestly. They work with me very well, and I couldn't be more thankful for both Roger and FMH for working with me. So.
Anything else that you want farmers to know in this area of crop insurance as we get ready to hopefully bring planting season to a conclusion?
If you're interested in using your data off your monitor, your farm management software, it's never too late to actually get started. You don't have to have stuff set up perfectly ahead of season. Get a hold of your crop insurance agent at FMH, and it's never too late to really get going.
It's neat to see the partnership happening here near Brooklyn, Iowa, and really partnerships like this all across the state of Iowa, farmer-centric and farmer-focused. Reporting for this edition of the State of Soy, I'm Aaron Putsey.
My name is Charlie Brunker, and my wife and I and our kids run Precision Ag, try to be on the cutting edge every time we can. We turned on FMH, Precision Ag, crop insurance. We harnessed what we're already doing, and we'll never look back. Grandpa used to call a field, 100 acres, and now we're planting 90 of the 100 acres. Well, we're only paying for the 90 that we plant, and those details actually increased our APHs anywhere from 5 to 12% in the first year.